Hello and welcome back to Expert City. Today I'm going to show you how an OR gate works. So this is the basic setup for an OR gate, which has two inputs, A and B, which can be connected to the breadboard in order to make an output high when either one of the inputs is high. So, or both together, high. So that's how it works. So I'm going to show you the schematic and the theory of how it works. Alright, so here's the theoretical analysis for how the gate works. So you have two transistors here. Let me just circle them up for you. Alright, so each which receives an input at their respective bases, and both of them, the collector is connected directly up to the power rail, which happens to be 9 volts again in our case. And both of them together again, the emitters, are connected at a common node. Now that node is connected directly to the output, which happens to be a piezoelectric speaker in our case, which is connected to the ground rail again. And most textbooks and pictures do involve an additional connection to the ground, but it really is optional, and I haven't done it in my case. Now you might want to add a resistor here in case either here or here in case you're trying to drive an LED through, because that would burst with more than 20 milliamperes of current or so, depending upon your manufacturing conditions. And let's move on to the truth table here. So what actually happens? So when both the inputs are low, the output's going to be low. In every other case though, it's going to be high. Now the simple way to remember is the direct formula for the OR gate is a plus symbol, so you can just add them up. So 0, 0, 0, and then every other case they add up. And digital logic 1 plus 1 is 1, not 2, as you'd imagine it to be. So yeah, that's about it for the theory part. Okay, so now we'll have a side-by-side comparison. So the input for A is this little yellow wire here. And the input for B is this little red wire here. So I'm gonna show you how they work. So both are disconnected. You can either plug them to the ground rail like this, or you could just leave them open. It doesn't really matter. So now let's say I plug one of them into the power rail. It works. Assume the other one is powered to the power rail. Sound again. Now let's connect both of them and see what happens. Sound. So that is our basic table that we've drawn here. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.